Welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert an online picture into a Microsoft Word document. First click on Insert, then Pictures, then Online Pictures. In the search engine you can type the picture you want to download, then press enter. You can choose as many pictures as you want by selecting and then click insert after you're done. It has completed and has added 4 pictures into our document. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.